The purpose of this video is to guide you through the process of creating a lock screen image, which always has to be present on your iPad. This is your lock screen, and essentially what it is, it's a PIN code that you will enter. It's going to be your lunch PIN that will unlock your iPad for use. Today you're going to create a custom lock screen image that has first name, last name, grade, advisor, and sync station number. Notice how we have to keep this space at the bottom and at the top free of text. These items must be on your lock screen at all times. You can change the picture, the colors, and other graphic stuff, but the information must always remain in this order. We must be able to easily recognize you in the picture and easily find the information we need. This is not resized.
Where'd mine go?
This is one example of a layout you could do where the picture is in the center and all the information is below. This is another example where we have the image on the left side, text on the right. Whichever way you choose, either is fine, but you have to go through this process step by step. Do not go ahead. You must all do these steps together to ensure we all do it correctly. The first thing we want you to do is to open the camera app. Camera looks just like this. When you first open the camera, it's probably viewing the backwards facing camera, and what you need to do is select this button right here to switch the camera to the front facing camera. When the forward facing camera is on, you'll see your face. Make sure that your face is lit properly so we can clearly see who you are. When you got a good smile on your face, take your picture. Then we want you to press the belly button and it will take you back to your home screen. Once here on the home screen, we want you to open the Explain Everything app. If you've opened Explain Everything before, you will come to a blank project page. If you see this, what we want you to do is press the home button right down here. If you haven't opened Explain Everything before, you will see the Explain Everything main page, and you won't have all of these that I have. But what we want you to do, whether you've opened Explain Everything before or not, now you have the option for New Project. When you get a new project, you'll see the blank white space, and what we need you to do is press this button right here, which is the Insert Image, and then click From Photo Roll. Then it will give you all your photo albums. I have many more than you do. You just want to select Camera Roll and locate your self-taken image. Explain Everything will then allow you to edit the image, and we're going to press the crop button. The kind of pale blue will turn to a more brighter royal blue. That's when you know that the crop option has been selected. And you can see here that the crop is a little brighter blue. Then you click and drag until the cropped area is around your face, nice and tight, so that you get a nice large face photo. When you get the crop square centered around your face, hit the Done button. Explain Everything will then show you your cropped photo. If you're good to go, press Done. Explain Everything will then insert the image into your project, and if you need to, you can move it around to the side or leave in the middle or resize by doing a two-finger kind of pinch and zoom. I moved my picture to the left-hand side, and then what I did is I used the pressed and held the A, and what that will do is bring up my text selection options. Don't change the size or the font. All you need to do is choose a pre-selected color. After you choose your color, you simply click in the white place and you'll see this text box come up. You type in your information within the text box, and then you hit this button right down here to lower the keyboard. When you lower the keyboard, you will then see your full text, and remember it needs to be your first, your last name, your grade, your advisor, and your syncing station. The syncing station will be the same for your entire class. When you are done entering that information, you hit the green checkbox to set the text. When you set the text, you can use a 2-finger swipe to then resize and move the text if you so need. After it's sized and positioned the way you are, that is what your lock screen is going to look like. You need to select this icon right down here, and it is the little thought bubble with the image, and that is the export image, and you are going to export your image to photo roll. Explain everything. It will tell you that the screen image has been saved to the iPad gallery. Just click OK. What you need to do then is then select the belly button right over here or at the bottom, but probably off to your right, and then open up the camera roll, and what you will see is you will locate your full finished screen lock image and press on that. When you press on the image, it will zoom and show big, and then what you need to do is press this open in icon, the little square with the arrow. Then some options will come up, and you are going to want to use as wallpaper. And then we want to set as lock screen. After you set as lock screen, the option to set as lock screen or home screen or set as both will disappear. That's when you know that it has been set as the lock screen. So then in the upper left, if your iPad is sitting on its side, press the sleep button. By pressing the sleep button, your screen will go black. Then press the belly button or sleep button again, and you will be given this screen, which is your lock screen, the slide to unlock, and then you would enter your passcode. Again, the reason we need space down here at the bottom and at the top is you can see these gray bars cover that area, and we want this text information and the majority of your photo to be viewable without the gray on top. So good luck, and remember this needs to be kept on your iPad at all times.